Hunter Biden is accusing the IRS of violating his rights as a taxpayer.
Yes, the president's son has filed a lawsuit marking the latest legal pushback in the years-long federal investigation against him. Madeline Rivera reports.
Days after being indicted on federal gun charges, Hunter Biden is fighting back. He's suing the IRS, specifically accusing two agents of launching a smear campaign against him.
Hunter Biden is a private citizen, right? And he's not the president of the United States. He's never put his name on the ballot. And this speaks to that. The IRS, he feels as though, is doing him a disservice.
According to the lawsuit, agents Gary Shapley and Joseph Ziegler wrongfully shared his private tax information in press interviews and testimony before Congress. Shapley and Ziegler say the Justice Department gave the president's son preferential treatment in its tax case against him. Hunter's attorneys argue the two agents aren't protected by their so-called whistleblower status, adding a whistleblower is supposed to uncover government misconduct, not the details of that employee's opinion about the alleged wrongdoing of a private person. An attorney in Shapley's legal team is pushing back.
We definitely aren't going to be intimidated by a frivolous attempt like this, and we hope that other whistleblowers who might potentially be considering coming forward won't be intimidated either.
The lawsuit is threatening to bleed into the 2024 presidential election as Republicans look for any ties between the president and Hunter's business dealings. But the White House is denying any wrongdoing.
The first son could also face tax charges in California, where he lives, or in Washington, D.C., after a plea deal fell apart in August. In Washington, Madeline Rivera, Fox 32 Chicago.
Prosecutors in former President Donald Trump's election interference case have requested a limited gag order. This would restrict Trump from inflammatory comments about witnesses, lawyers, and Judge Tanya Chutkan. Prosecutors say Trump has targeted certain people with threats, harassment, and intimidation. The former president's team has even asked that judge to recuse herself.